Vanakkam Chennai. Na Reena Das. I'm from Odisha and inga Chennai lo 15 years aichi working for Bhadra inga Chennai airport la. This is my husband Subrat.
Hi, Subrat.
And this one is Arman, my son.
Hi.
COVID time lo we were there at home or March month lo start aichi work from home concept. Ella to be safe at home. Safety is very important, so not to get the virus spread. So we started working from home, and that is where nama konju work ki regular pora morning 9 o'clock poite evening vandana we were used to meet people, talk to people and all that. Inga our four walls lo stay panna time lo it was quite difficult or four walls lo locked at home. So that is where my husband said, why don't you come up to the terrace? We will have some yoga done and it will be quite relaxing and you will have feel good because your health will also become better. You are there with the environment, close with the environment, you will have fresh oxygen and all. So it will be nice mela vange. And the time lo or anji chedi irke mela. We didn't have much plants. Then what we thought is let's slowly develop the garden. And the time lo whatever was there small best out of waste type. We used to take out cold drink bottles or used water bottles. Adi mari we started putting small plants. And today I would like to share with you our happiness of having more than 100 plants now. So that is how it happened in last 3 months. And we feel that these are part of the family now, part of our life now. And with these plants growing up, we slowly thought that why not have something painted nice to the wall so that it gives little more enhanced beauty. And the situation on that day thought when my husband has got, my friend also sent some pictures. And the pictures she sent that, see Reena, like you have your terrace garden, ungala indha mari painting panna nalla irukum. Then he has gone almost mad. He was like trying to think of what can be there in the wall so that it can look good. Based on that, we started doing a lot of research, and he had sleepless night, I must say, to find out what could be the best design that can come out. And based on that, what we downloaded from the internet la download pani adi is one part of it. And when you see what has come out in the reality is like amazing. And we started loving the whole concept of his creativity in terms of how Vimal Raj and Vivek put it together along with our little artist Brinda. Brinda is Perinan sir's daughter. She also played a vital role in terms of making all the arrangements that she could do in terms of getting into learning and also doing a lot of artwork. We have organized a small poetry because of this whole thing. I will try and speak out 4 lines, but try and apologize me if my language goes wrong or haywire anywhere. Vanil Nandavanan, Madil Nandavanan, Malarum Tamarai, Thedium Kedekkada, Kevitada Selvangal. This is our Tamarai font, and that is how this poem has come out. Thank you very much to all the viewers, whoever is watching it. Namaki ella Chennai, ella Tamil Nadu, ellarke rumma nandri for being watching this, and big vanakkam to all of you once again. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so
Nandri,
much.
rumma nandri.